Hey guys, this is a product review for this cleaning gel I just picked up. It's by Pulidiki. Dust cleaning gel. It comes in a little container like this and you just pull it out. It feels kind of weird. Yeah, it's like gooey. It feels kind of moist, but you don't get like super wet from it. Anyway, let me just start cleaning with it because I've never used it before. So here we go. I'm in my car and I've got some crumbs in this space. I go to the beach a lot, so I get sand in there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it just molds to the shape of the car. I don't know, whatever you would call that, a groove. So it's just fitting right into the groove. Cool. All right, so it just like, it didn't get every little bit on the first round. I think I could go through a couple of times, but it's like it just kind of absorbs the stuff. So I had a ton of sand. I don't know, maybe I'll use a baby wipe for up there, but for these grooves with sand in them, this is really scooping that up really nicely, and then I don't have to have a get like a vacuum out and stuff, because I did have issues with the baby wipe getting all of this sand. It would get like in little crevices. Cool. Yeah, so there are like some white chips that are kind of stuck, but this got most of the gunk. Sweet. Yeah, I mean, the gel looks kind of gross now with all that gunk in it, but it's pretty cool that I can just put this back in its little container and have it in the glove box, and then just do a quick cleanup whenever I feel like it. It's so nice to have your car be cleaned up. I'm gonna go vacuum the floor later, but wow, what a cool product. Yeah, it does work on here across this dash area, but I think I prefer just using a little baby wipe up there. But for these grooves where you get like sand and gunk, that is sweet. That's really cool. So this is my first time using it, and I think it's really awesome. It feels really weird, but it's great at getting like little gritty stuff, and then it just feels kind of fresh in here. So what an awesome thing. I really like it. Thumbs up.